Hello friends, today we receive another books of class 3rd. Uh, Last time we got class 2nd books. Today we got class 3rd book, grade 3rd book that is given over here, and this is set of 14 books. So we are going to open this, and please see this video complete. Thank you. So friends, we are going to open this. Very good packing. See, they are written over here, class grade 3rd, set of 14 books. Okay, so firstly we going to open this. Good packing. Yes, this is science book. Total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 books of this set of science book. Okay, this is 5 book. I put it over here. Next, this second set, that is English spell well first, means there are 4 volumes. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so these are English books. And next, this is third set, grade 3rd, volume first. This is for maths, playing with numbers. How many books? 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 4 books. So firstly we are going to open the math set. This is a good packing and very good handle. No books were damaged during transportation. Okay, I show you one by one book. This is maths first volume. Yes, these books will work on Osmo kits. So yes, we have to put these books page on front of tablet that is given last time, and this is complete book. Yes, I think good content. Maybe it is very helpful for a child. Okay, this is shapes and measurements. I think this will cover all the shapes and all the mathematical expressions about shapes and measurements. These books for maths, everyday maths, means this should be of the everyday life maths. There will be all the content. Next is multiplication and division. That means it will be helpful in multiplications and division. So this is also helpful for a student. Next I will show you, this is English books and these are the science book. So these are the total 14 books of 3 sets. So we will tell you about review on next video, that this will have book helpful for student. I think this should be helpful for student. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.